Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to show you how I pack my Jujube Super Be for a day out with a toddler and a baby. By the way, if you're not familiar with Jujube, this is their Camp Toki print, and this is one of my favorite prints. So let's go ahead and start it. I am just using one hand, so pardon me. I can't seem to make my camera stand work, so I'm gonna be doing my best with one hand only. So inside, this is what it looks like, and mind you guys, I have tried to pack light, and I just hope I did well, but it's kind of hard to pack light when you're, you know, lugging around two kids. Anyway, let's get on with it. I have here on top baby wet wipes, and then my nursing cover, my 2-month-old's receiving blanket. If you have watched my previous pack with me video, pack with me video with the Itsy Ritsy bag, this will be familiar. This is my grooming slash supposedly first aid kit. So I haven't worked it out yet, the first aid kit part, but yeah, I have here a nasal spray for my 2-month-old and a nasal aspirator, as well as some comb here, baby nail files, and alcohol spray. And then in this medium set piece from the Jujube Core Convertible line, I just have in here my daughter's small toys, a sticker book, and two of her, not really favorites, but two of her go-to books, I guess. So yeah, to keep her entertained while we're outside. And then in this large Jujube Core Convertible set piece, I just have my 3-year-old's change of clothes, as well as some diapers for her. And in this Jujube Rose Quartz Be Quick bag, I just have in here my my 2-month-old's cloth diapers and a change of clothes. They are cloth diapers. I have been cloth diapering my baby for almost 2 weeks now, and so far it's going really well. I don't think I'll be going back to disposable diapers for her, but that's for another video. So I don't know if I've mentioned it, but in this bag, in this Be Quick bag, I just have 2 cloth diapers for my 2-month-old, and then the rest, 2 more, I have put in this mesh pocket, which I'm not gonna take off anymore. There. And then in this other mesh pocket, I just have my daughter's diaper rash cream. This is the Mustela, wait, it's not focusing there. It's the Mustela Vitamin Barrier Cream. And then I have her burp cloth, a bib for her, or for her older sister. This is by Kindy, and it's an organic mosquito repellent, and it can be used by newborns and up. And then in here, in this zippered pocket, I just stashed in there the wet bag for the cloth diapers, for, you know, her dirty cloth or used cloth diapers. And then in the front pockets, I just have in here my portable UV sterilizer, which is not focusing. There, I just have my portable UV care sterilizer, which still does not have any batteries in it. I'm hoping that maybe later I can grab some batteries for it. And then in this pouch as well, I have the small set piece of the Camp Toki print, and in here I just have mommy stuff. So I have here my mints, my mirror, my lipstick, my blotting powder, and some candies. In this pocket, in this middle pocket, I just have my phone. And then in here, I have the medium set piece of the Camp Toki. And I use this as a snack pouch. So as you can see, I have some wafers, chocolate wafers, some lollipops, some candies, you know, to bribe my kid with. You know how it is. And lastly, at the back of this bag, I just have in this pocket a Newly & Co. Diaper changing pad. So that is it. That's all that's inside. That is how I try to pack light, guys. That is me trying to pack light. Okay, so that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!